Two Samsung Galaxy phones. One flagship, one budget. But which one truly stands out in 2025? On the left, the powerhouse Galaxy S24 Ultra. And on the right, the super affordable Galaxy A34 5G. Let's skip the hype and sales gimmicks and break down what really matters. Each category earns points, and you'll see who wins at the end. The final result might just surprise you.
All right, quick look at the categories we're going through. Price, performance, camera, battery and charging, design and build, display, extras and features, and OS and updates. So yeah, there's a lot to unpack. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, let's talk price. The S24 Ultra, okay, it's got that premium feel all the way. But the price? It's sitting at a hefty 81,000 rupees. Pretty wild, right? You do get all the high-end stuff, but yeah, your wallet will definitely feel it. Now the A34 5G, on the other hand, this thing's almost criminally budget-friendly at 16,999. Of course, you don't get the same flagship experience, and it's a plastic build, but honestly, for most people, it might be all you need. So if you're looking at value alone, the A34 5G takes this one. Now, performance. The S24 Ultra's packing Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and its benchmark scores are almost 3 times faster than the A34 5G. Like, this thing doesn't just chew through games, it swallows them whole. If you multitask or game, oh man, this is on another level. The A34 5G's got a MediaTek Dimensity 1080. It's, totally fine for everyday stuff, and it even has expandable storage. But with just 6 gigabytes of RAM and much lower scores, you'll probably notice the difference if you push it. So yeah, S24 Ultra wins here, easily. All right, let's talk cameras. Because honestly, Samsung is known for their cameras. The S24 Ultra comes in hot with 200 megapixel main shooter, 3 more rear lenses, all the cool toys, advanced zoom, OIS, laser autofocus, low light magic, the list goes on. And it shoots 4K and even 8K video if you really want to make your dog a movie star. The only weird thing is the selfie camera's got slightly less megapixels than the A34 5G, but honestly, who's counting? The A34 5G's camera setup is fine. It's got a 48 megapixel main, ultra-wide, and macro, plus a 13 megapixel front camera, which is actually a bit higher for selfies. But when it comes to zoom, versatility, and overall quality, the A34 5G is sorta just there. Big win for S24 Ultra. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the S24 Ultra can actually shoot raw astrophotography straight from Pro mode? Yep, it'll make your night sky pics look next level. Let's pause and look at battery and charging. Both actually have 5,000 milliamp hour batteries, so you can chill all day without scrambling for a charger. The S24 Ultra adds wireless charging, which, yeah, super convenient. Flagship optimization is also nice, though it's definitely heavier in the hand. The A34 5G keeps things efficient and light, 199 grams, plus you still get fast charging. The only real bummer? No wireless charging. But honestly, if you care about weight or just want reliable battery, both are solid. I'll call this a tie. All right. Onto design and build. The S24 Ultra just screams premium. It's metal and glass, water resistant, and even includes Samsung's iconic stylus. The only catch is, wow, this thing is massive and kinda heavy. The A34 5G is much lighter, looks modern and slim compared to a lot of budget phones, but yeah, the plastic build does remind you what you paid for. For overall feeling in hand and wow factor, the S24 Ultra is the clear winner. Let's talk display. This one's fun. The S24 Ultra has a seriously gorgeous 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED with basically way more brightness than you'll ever need. It's sharp, vibrant, and you even get S Pen support to doodle like a pro. The A34 5G also packs a 120Hz AMOLED, which is honestly impressive for its price. Colors are nice, just the resolution and peak brightness are lower, so outdoors you'll see the difference. For display nerds, the S24 Ultra walks away with the win here. Extras and cool features, yeah, there's a bunch. S24 Ultra gives you wireless charging, fancy Wi-Fi 7, top Bluetooth, and S Pen magic, but it skips the headphone jack and expandable storage, which might annoy some folks. The A34 5G keeps it simple. A headphone jack, love it. Micro SD slot for all your memes and photos, and legit stereo speakers. But no wireless charging, and Wi-Fi isn't cutting edge here. Both bring useful stuff, so I'm calling this one a tie.
Last, let's quickly hit software and updates. The S24 Ultra is rocking Android 14, and Samsung's actually promising 7 years of updates. Seriously, in 2025, that's a huge deal. It's the best One UI experience, too. The A34 5G started with Android 13, and yeah, Samsung supports updates, just not for as long or as fast. If you want your phone to feel fresh for ages, S24 Ultra wins, no contest. So, if you look at our category radar chart, it's pretty clear. The S24 Ultra blows past on performance, camera, display, and updates, but the A34 5G is super strong in price and stretches out solid battery and features. Pretty wild for a budget phone. Honestly, if you're all about absolute power, camera tricks, and look-at-me design, the S24 Ultra is where it's at. But if you really want price, practicality, and just all the basics done right with 5G, the A34 5G is kind of genius for what you pay. Just depends. Do you want flagship or functional? Both are solid picks in their own lane.
Did this help you choose?
If you found it useful, save this for your next upgrade. Or hey, share it with a friend who's totally torn between Samsung